To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Ranger 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Tilt the cargo box. Remove the 8 fasteners securing the clutch cover. Lift the cover over the A-arm assembly, rotate it toward the engine, then rotate the cover counterclockwise and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation so that it can be installed in the same direction. Insert the clutch spreader tool from the vehicle toolkit into the threaded hole of the driven clutch. Turn the spreader clockwise to spread the clutch. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage and replace if necessary. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. When reinstalling the belt, ensure the belt is installed in the same direction of travel. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave until it is fully installed. Turn the clutch spreader tool counterclockwise to remove from the driven clutch. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the sheaves on the belt. Install the clutch cover by installing the top half first, then the bottom half over the suspension. Install the 8 cover fasteners and torque specification. Lower the cargo bed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.